In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, teen prayer warriors offer emotional support to distressed peers at a charity home in Mandeville, Manchester. With more, here's Kian Morgan.
Gentleness, kindness, goodness. Words of encouragement for a friend in need. Today, the clouds hovering over the Friends in Need charity in Mandeville, Manchester, seem gloomy, but not gloomy enough to dampen the spirit of these young prayer warriors who are on a mission to uplift those who might have lost hope. Operator of the private charity home for abused children and homeless persons, Yvonne Towson-Carr, says that she invited the group to the facility to encourage their peers who are going through emotional stress.
Children, they love to talk with one another. They keep each other's secrets, and so we wanted them to share and to see what they're going through, the similarities and the differences, and just to, give each other support.
These warriors, between the ages of 13 and 18, hail from different parishes across the island. Some take turns praying, while others entertain. Ashika Patterson, a prayer warrior from Westmoreland, says that she's been doing this since she was 9 years old.
Most of the times when you bow down on your knees to God, then you will see changes and you will see miracles happen. You may not see it happen right away, but God takes His time and do things.
My grandmother used to teach me how to pray, and from she teach me how to pray, I used to start from a little till I go all the way up until I can start do this now.
Mrs. Towson-Carr says that the prayer session is therapeutic.
What we wanted for them to do is to talk with each other, cry with each other, counsel with each other, and pray for each other.
DeAndre Reed admits praying is what keeps him going, and as such is encouraging others to do the same.
You must always whisper prayer to God. A morning time when you wake up, you continue praying, just continue saying a little words until you can start, until you can catch on to whatever you're saying, and continue.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.